Natural light plays a major role in how a home feels, looks, and even functions. In Houston, where sunshine is abundant year-round, making the most of that natural light can transform your living space. One of the most effective ways to brighten your home is by installing picture windows. These large, fixed windows are designed to maximize sunlight while creating a clean, modern look that fits perfectly with Houston's architectural styles. What are picture windows? Picture windows are large, non-operable windows that provide unobstructed views and allow the maximum amount of light to enter your home. Unlike traditional windows with multiple panes or moving parts, picture windows are designed with minimal framing. This means more glass, more daylight, and a clearer connection to the outdoors. For Houston homeowners, this design is especially appealing because it captures the city's natural brightness without sacrificing comfort or energy efficiency. Brighter interiors. All day long Houston homes benefit greatly from picture windows because of the city's long sunny days. Installing a picture window in a living room, dining area, or family space allows sunlight to flow freely throughout the room. This reduces the need for artificial lighting during daylight hours, helping rooms feel open, inviting, and spacious. Natural light also highlights interior features like hardwood floors, stone countertops, and decorative accents. Many homeowners notice that rooms feel larger and more welcoming once a picture window is installed, even without changing furniture or decor. Enhancing comfort without opening windows. Because picture windows don't open, they create a tight seal that helps keep indoor temperatures stable. In Houston's hot and humid climate, this is a major advantage. You can enjoy abundant sunlight without letting in heat, moisture, or outdoor noise. Modern picture windows are often paired with energy-efficient glass options that reduce heat transfer while still allowing plenty of light inside. This helps maintain indoor comfort and can contribute to lower cooling costs during Houston's long summers. Perfect for showcasing outdoor views, many Houston homes feature beautiful landscaping, patios, or backyard spaces. Picture windows frame these outdoor areas like a living piece of art. Whether you're overlooking a shaded yard, a pool, or mature trees, a picture window brings the outside in without distractions. This visual connection to the outdoors creates a calming atmosphere and adds a sense of openness that traditional windows often can't match. Ideal placement for maximum light. Picture windows work especially well in areas where airflow isn't a primary concern. Living rooms, stairwells, entryways, and dining rooms are popular locations. Many homeowners also combine picture windows with operable windows on either side to enjoy both ventilation and natural light. In Houston homes with open floor plans, picture windows can flood multiple areas with daylight, creating a bright, cohesive look throughout the space. Boosting home value and curb appeal. Beyond comfort and lighting, picture windows add visual appeal. From the exterior, they create a sleek, modern appearance that enhances curb appeal. Inside, they make spaces feel more luxurious and thoughtfully designed. Buyers in Houston often look for homes that feel bright and energy efficient. Installing picture windows can make your home more attractive if you ever decide to sell. A smart upgrade for Houston living. Picture windows are more than just a design feature. They're a practical upgrade that improves how you experience your home every day. By maximizing natural light, enhancing comfort, and showcasing outdoor views, they align perfectly with the Houston lifestyle. If you're looking to brighten your home while maintaining energy efficiency and style, picture windows are a smart, lasting investment that delivers both beauty and everyday benefits.